Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
What's up guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to learn more about TikTok ads. Alright, so in this video we're going to do a quick walkthrough for TikTok ads, because in these sections we're going to create ad copies and ad videos for TikTok ads. Therefore it is going to be very crucial and important for you to know and understand more about this advertising platform, as well as be familiar with how the video ad should look like to be successful on TikTok, guys. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to tiktok.com/business, and then if you have your TikTok account, then just sign in. But if you haven't created your TikTok account yet, then you might want to create your TikTok account first, and then click create now, right? And then you're going to be redirected to this page. This is actually your TikTok ads dashboard. As you guys can see, this is my dashboard, right? So we have the statistics, for example, like cost, impressions, clicks, like how many clicks that you got, and also conversions, right? So if you click on campaigns, you're going to be able to see like all campaigns that you've run in the past. If that's a brand new account, then obviously there is no campaign since you haven't run any ads. However, as you guys can see, I have run 2 ad campaigns previously, Teespring and Gumroad. So yeah, let's go back to dashboard, and I'm going to guide you step by step on how to create your ad campaign, guys. So just click on create an ad, just click on it, and it will take you to this page. All right, as you guys can see, when it comes to the objective, there are 4 options. So the first one here, we have traffic. So if you want to drive more traffic to your website, you want to get as many people as possible to come into your website or to your online store, then go with traffic. And the second one here is community interaction. So for example, if you've just created your TikTok account and you want to get a lot of views, you want to get a lot of followers, a lot of people is commenting on your TikTok, then you want to go with the second one, community interactions. And the third one here is lead generation. So if you want to get a lot of people signing up to your program, maybe entering their email address, their name, then go with the third options. And then the fourth one here is website conversions, and obviously this is for sales. So if you want to get a lot of sales, you want to maximize your conversions, then go with this objective. Right, so for now I'm just gonna go with the traffic one, so I'm going to click continue. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're being redirected to this page. Select audience. So for example, I want to target people in these 3 countries: United States. So I'm just going to type in United States, and the second one here is Canada, and the third one is South Africa, right? So we're going to be targeting people in these 3 countries: Canada, South Africa, and United States. And for the audience type, you can have like 2 options. The first one is custom audience, and the second one is automatic audience. So if you choose to go with automatic audience, you don't need to customize your audience demographics. So you're going to be completely relying on TikTok algorithms to find you the best audience for your ads. But I don't trust TikTok ads algorithm 100%, to be honest, so I prefer to go with custom audience, so I have more authority over my ads. So let's click on demographics, right? For the gender, I'm not going to target any specific gender, so I'm gonna go with no limit, right? So I'm going to be targeting both male and female. And for the age, I'm going to be targeting Gen Z and millennials, so 13 to 17, 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and that's it. As you guys can see here on the right side of the screen, there is estimated number of impressions that our ad is going to get, like 86 million to 106 millions, right? For the language, I'm gonna go with English, right? Since the product description is in English, you can also target people based on their interest and behavior. For example, you want to target people who are interested in beauty and personal care, so just check the box, right? Or maybe you want to target people who are interested in apparel and accessories. Okay, so yeah, and down here you can also change this platform. So if you want your ads to be only shown on TikTok, make sure that you check this but uncheck Pangle, right? But if you want it to be displayed on both platform, and you can check Pangle as well. But based on my personal experience, it's not very effective, so I'm just going to check TikTok, right? Because TikTok is the one that has the largest audience. And let's click continue, guys. Okay, so in this page, you need to set your daily budget. So let's say I want to spend $20 per day, right? So that's the amount of money that you're willing to spend per day. And the minimum daily budget is $10, all right? You cannot run ads below than $10 daily budget. And you can also set the date, like when your ads should live, or maybe just start the ad immediately, right? So as soon as your ad is approved, then your ad is going to be displayed immediately. So I'm gonna go to the second options, and let's click continue. And this is going to be the final step where you're going to upload your video, right? So I haven't downloaded this product video yet, so I'm going to use one of my videos randomly. So I'm just gonna pick one of these videos, and as you guys can see here, for the ad copies, we need to add a display name and also like the descriptions, kind of the same like Google ads and Facebook ads. You need to have the heading and also the product descriptions. And also for the call to actions, you have like several options like download, see up notes, sign in. Obviously, you need to choose this call to actions based on what product that you're selling. For example, we're going to be selling this head message instrument, so maybe I'm going to use shop now for my call to actions. All right. However, you guys can scroll down here and explore other options like install now or order now. It really depends on what products that you're selling, because in this case we're going to be selling this head message instrument, so I'm just going to use shop now as my call to actions. And down here you also need to enter your online store URL or link. So every single time someone clicks on this shop now button, he or she is going to be redirected to your websites or your online store, right? Make sure that you enter the right link, because if not, then obviously you're not going to get any sales. Okay, so the last thing that I want to emphasize here is the dimensions of the video ads. As you guys can see, the dimensions for TikTok ads is very similar to like Instagram Reels or YouTube Shorts. It's 9:16, right? So when you're creating your ad video, you need to keep that in mind. The dimension has to be 9:16. Okay, so once you're ready, once you have entered all the information necessary and you're all set, just click submit, and then it might take like a couple hours. In most cases, it's going to be like less than 12 hours to be approved, right? And once your ad is approved, then it's going to be live, right? So I think that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to do a quick walkthrough for YouTube ads. So I'll see you guys there.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.